Good morning, students. I am going to answer a couple of questions today that I've gotten repeatedly, so I feel like a lot of you may want to know the answer to this. The first one is how to submit a homework assignment, and the second one is how to view feedback after a homework assignment. I hope you're rolling into the course at this point. We're nearing the end of our first week. It's going to move very quickly in a 6-week course. So you want to make sure that you're staying up on your due dates, and I will talk about where you can find that calendar again. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have the introductory page, and if you go to your home page, you're going to see my most recent announcements, as well as at the bottom of the home page, down here in the lower left-hand corner, is the Start Here button. You want to click on this Start Here button and take a little look at the information that I've posted here for you. This is a great introductory video. This has got a lot of answers to your questions. It kind of walks you through how I, as a student, would take this course and what I would pay attention to. So you want to spend some time in this area. If you wanted to submit an assignment, I would simply go to Assignments, and you'll see all the assignments that are overdue, as well as upcoming assignments. So let's pretend today that I want to submit my homework assignment that's due this week. You can also always see the due date underneath the title of the assignment. So I'm going to click there. And so in order to be able to submit an assignment, you're going to have to save it as a file. You can do this on your phone or other device as well. I'm on a laptop right now. I have another video that I'm going to link in this discussion post that talks about how you can use your phone as a scanner. If you have an iOS, it's very simple. If you have another system, there are free apps that you can download that will allow you to use your camera as a scanner and save that as a document. That is the document that you're going to be uploading. So why am I making you print this out and handwrite it? It's because writing something down is as if you had read it 7 times. And it's another tool that I'm kind of forcing upon you to help you to memorize the content of this course. Secondly, this is a skill, being able to save a document and upload it as a homework assignment, that you're going to need in lots of other courses from here on out. So I think it's important that we learn this skill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resubmit this assignment, because I've already submitted it once as a practice, and then I would choose my file. Now this is going to take you to your computer. You want to save your file with a name that you're going to recognize. Choose the file that you want to use, and then say OK. And then I would click the Submit Assignment button. I'm not going to do it now because I've already submitted an assignment that I want you to see. So once you've done that, you'll get a little reward. You'll know that it's submitted. It'll tell you that it was successful. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Once your assignment has been graded, an easy way to see if there were any comments made is go to Grades. And you can see that I have a couple of missing assignments. That's no good, because remember, in the syllabus, I do not accept late work. Here is the assignment that I've submitted and their comments. If there are any comments that I've written on your assignment, you'll be able to view them here. If you want to look at the actual assignment, which may also have feedback on it, you would choose the actual assignment and then click on the View Feedback. Once this opens up, you'll see I can actually make comments right here on the document that you submitted. You might see a little symbol that looks like this, and then my comment will be here. Or sometimes you'll see that I have crossed things out and made other feedback on this assignment. I'm not going to, on your homework, I will definitely grade it, but I'm not going to give you the answer. You're going to have to go back and find it. So if you have lots of marks on your paperwork, you want to go back and take a look to see if you got those, if you need to look up the right answer to those. Okay, so that's how to submit an assignment, how to view your feedback. A quick reminder, you can always go to Calendar. This is a wonderful way. This is over here on the dark side. This is a wonderful way of knowing what's coming due. If you have questions about that specific assignment, you can choose one of the assignments, click on it. It will give you the instructions here. If you have submitted an assignment, you'll see that it will mark it off here for you. So this is a really great tool to be able to keep track of this very fast moving course. I'm going to go back to the home page now. And in this home page, I've given you at the bottom of the screen, there's a Start Here button. I would recommend, if you have not already gone there, you want to spend some time in the Start Here section. Start Here will give you an introductory video. It has lots of tools, how to submit an assignment. There's a PDF there. Here is a video of how to use your phone, your iOS, as a scanner that will save it as a PDF. So a lot of the questions I'm getting, the information is here on your Canvas page. I would highly recommend spending some time exploring the Canvas page. If you go to modules, you will see there's lots of information here, including your Start Here page. Then each week you have the work that you're going to do. Please remember, late work is not accepted. If you did not submit your second discussion post, so we had this week, I'm going to go back into my calendar. We have 2 discussion posts. The first one was the introductory discussion post that was due by Tuesday. The second one is the discussion week 1. That was due by Wednesday, which was yesterday. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to those due dates. I'm going to allow one time for you to come back in and complete that discussion post if you have not done so. I have open office hours every Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I also have added an additional office hour on Thursday evenings. This is a time from 7 to 8. This will be a time for you to get together as a class, ask questions. We had a meet and greet yesterday that was really good. And this is a good way to feel connected when taking an online course. So if you have other questions, make sure that you reach out. You can either send me an inbox message. You can always come to the discussion area and ask Professor Elliott. There are question and answers here. I added another discussion area that students can use to talk to each other. So there are lots of ways to connect and communicate in this course. I want you to be successful, and I'm here to help you. If you need me, you know where to reach me. Okay, have a great day.